Hi everyone, Marianne from MC Beaders, and here is Cody Kitty, my 11-year-old cat. He's so awesome. And Lucy. Anyway, I wanted to show you what I've been up to the last couple of days. It's been snowy out, and we had a little bit of a snowstorm yesterday in New York. And in the snowstorm, I noticed that I got an email from Michael's with a 60% off coupon. And I could not pass that up. So, Lucy, stop. So I was able to get these beads. They were actually $2.50 each. And the 60% off I got, I think I got Gorilla Glue with it. But anyway, I was able to make these bracelets. I have an upcoming craft show February 8th. And I was putting these together while I was hanging out in the house, in the warm house, watching a movie with my kids. So here we go. Here's a couple of them. This one is, all of them have the black lava stone. And these actually, I had these beads in my stash. They're green. They're really, really pretty. I know it's pretty sunny here. I hope it's not a glare. But they're green and gold with the lava beads. The lava beads you use to put essential oils on is the green and gold. That's like green and copper with the lava beads with an owl. I also made this one. It's really pretty. I think the sun is really very bright here. Here we go. It's jade. With the lava stones, lava beads, and I think that's called a lotus. This one I made, and the beads are really nice. They're glass. They're really, really good quality beads with the lava stones and a dragonfly. This one I made, it looks like it's turquoise kind of, and it has like swirls, like marble swirls of white and tan and black. It's really actually very pretty. Then I got these red ones. I believe they all came to about, with the sale and my teacher discount, I think all the beads came to about $2.33. So I was able to make all these bracelets I'm going to try to sell them for $10 each. So here's more. It's really pretty purple one. And blue. This one was from my stash also. Really pretty. I don't know what the symbol is, but I thought it looked good together. And here's another purple. It says Dream. And another turquoise with Live. This one I love the green ones. It's like, you know what, I think, Lucy, this is not the greatest lighting. It's really bright, but this is like jade. These beads, I'm in love with these beads. They're glass, they're beautiful. They're like real jade beads. At least I think they are. Okay, here's another one. And this is like the same glass bead, just a different color. They were like white and like peach color, with a faith angel. Another red one with strength. I just like the way they came out. And that is all. Okay, guys. Have a wonderful Sunday. Bye-bye.